Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. Welcome to the weekly update. It's 10:48 in the morning on Sunday, March 16th, 2025. And I've just got some weekly levels up for you that I want you guys to pay attention to during the week. But please don't forget to come over to the daily analysis that we do every day, where we put those points up where you can get short, get long with good stops, and make some good pips. Have an incredible track record, if I don't say so myself, because nobody else is going to say it. But anyway, right now in dollar yen, we're kind of caught in between two points right here for the week, the 147.22 and the 150.20 level. This would be a warning level. If dollar yen breaks this level, most likely we're going to be trading down to this 146, say 46 level of support. Now, if that level goes, we're opening up to 145.41. Now, this would probably all depend on what statements come out of the Fed next week. Maybe if he doesn't talk dovish, people can jump right back into the yen, and that's going to affect, of course, the sterling yen cross. Now, if we somehow get some muzzle velocity to get us up above 150 the figure, we got a critical price at 151.75, and right behind that 152.90, 153, and an all-important level beyond that at 154. That's a really important point. So, like I said, just come on over to the daily analysis and see what I got going on for the points of the day. I have to wait for the marketplace to open and start to establish itself, so it gives me, starts whispering in my ear like, hey, this level, looks like it's going to hold, and if that level breaks, then, we could take a short, or this level is going to go, and we can get long and put a stop at that level, So let's move on over to good old sterling dollar. This one, like I've been saying for week upon week, basically just trading in the range between 129 and 130 right now. Doesn't really seem to have much muzzle velocity. The critical price on this is right now at 128.44. If that level breaks, we're going to be testing the 128, say 20 level, and potentially going back down to the old 127 figure level, main support for this thing. So, if I can get some muzzle velocity and get above 130 the figure, there's massive resistance at 130, 150 for this week. So, right now, really the action isn't in sterling or euro. It's really in dollar yen. I mean, dollar yen's been running this thing for quite a long time. So let's go on over to good old sterling yen. That's the shaker and the groover. Resistance right now, as it stands on the week, 193.53. Upper resistance, higher resistance at 195.16. I think that would be a stretch. I'm not really sure, all depending, again, on what the good old Fed says, because they're looking dovish. And, the Japanese JGBs are basically showing a little bit, hawkish. People could say, what? Let's get into sterling yen. But they'll go the other way. So right now, if they say nothing, basically kind of neutral statement, we could see, a test of the 194.30 level. A turn down below 191.72 right now is opening its way back up to that 190.25, 190 the figure, all important. Support point. If that breaks, we're opening up 188.62. So that's what we got going on in that guy. Let's go over to good old euro yen. Euro yen. Where did my points go in euro yen? Maybe it's over here. Let me see. Do I have another chart? Yes, here we go. I got a euro yen marked up chart right here. Really, excuse me. Damn cigar smoke. 161.60 is a pretty important price. It's really a daily price. It's not so much a weekly price, but a turn down below 161.60 could open up 160.50. Weekly is the 160.50 price. If that level goes, we're opening up, 159 the figure. So if I go to a 6-hour chart here, it's this way. It doesn't look like it's that much of a crazy fall. 160 the figure. Now, there's main support on this thing at 160, okay, or 159 the figure, I'm sorry. There is resistance at 162.88 and 163.42. Again, it's going to depend on what comes out of the Fed. And like I said, ad nauseum, make sure you come to my daily stuff, because I definitely put the points up, what's happening on the hourly charts there. So please, if you like what you see, smash the like button, hit subscribe, come on over to Park Avenue Trading, get yourself a free ebook. I guarantee you it's a book that that's nobody puts stuff out like that. It's a really cool little ebook for breakouts, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.